Hello and welcome to Unit 201 at Casa Playa, which is Spanish for beach house. Come on in. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Huge dining area, which I believe could also be thought of as a flex space because you have a very nice eat-in kitchen with a view of the river. So this could be homeschooling, office. You could be creative with this and consider it to be a flex space. And because you could use this as a flex space, then you have another eat-in area in the kitchen. So you can sit here, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and enjoy the river view. And this is the Banana River, which is an international waterway. You can sit here. You'll probably see sailboats or other water vessels coming through. And that's what's great about this particular building is the barrier island is so narrow right here that you get to have both views, both ocean and river, which to me, that's everything. And then we'll go this way, and then you will find the master bedroom, very large living area. And then of course, the view. The view is what it's all about. And then as I mentioned, all the flex space. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but that is a big flex space. And you have this other large space here. Very open, and I appreciate that in a floor plan. And then here we have the master bedroom. You see the beautiful wood style flooring, the view. I love the way they cornered the view here. And another thing that I want to mention is this building, you are allowed to have an Airbnb, which is huge because most buildings in this area, you're going to have 3, 6, oftentimes 12-month rental restrictions. This is one of the very few buildings where you can have an Airbnb. We do have multiple units in this building also, so it's a great income-producing property.
Check out that view from this beautiful condo, second floor condo. Actually, very